Hey there, it's Kathy with Be Creative with Kathy, and in this video I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to put together September's Stamp Club card packet. So we're going to use the Sweet Candy Cane bundle, which is the Sweet Candy Cane stamp set, and the candy cane dies that includes, they look like this. So this thing here cuts out this great thing back here, but there's a candy cane dies, and you can buy those as a bundle and save 10%. So of course we'll be using those. Now, your card packet, of course, comes with all the supplies to make 2 cards and a card that I made for you. So that's the 3 cards that will make a club. The 2 that you'll make look like this. So the supplies that I'm going to use to put our cards together are Inkwise, Real Red, and then on the inside here I did bring in just a little bit of garden green. So those are the 2 colors I'll be using. If you have anything close to that, that would work just as well. So then tool wise, nothing fancy really. I am going to have a pair of paper snips to trim the papers just in case if I have to snip something down. And I do suggest, since there's ribbon on the card, that you have something like a pair of ribbon scissors or something you can cut that ribbon. I always suggest take a pick tool and of course your bone folder just as your necessary tools. Now another tool I'm going to bring in is I'm going to use my Stamparatus this month. I like to get these in a really dark red, so like I said, I'm going to bring my Stamparatus or have my Stamparatus handy. Okay. Adhesives, same old normal adhesives. You'll probably need a tape runner. I suggest glue dots, dimensionals, and of course liquid glue. Nothing fancy, just your usual things. Now I also suggest that a couple months ago I sent you these, well, it says red and green adhesive, but I think they're called festive gems in the catalog, but you might want to have those handy because look how cute they are when you sprinkle them on to your card there. You can see that there, the little gems on there. So there you go. That is what I suggest. Now if you're not familiar with my stamp club, it's a 3-card club. We make 2 of them together. One of them I make for you and send it already made in the mail. All you have to do is place a $30 order using the host code that's in the description, and I will send you your packet. It has to be done before the end of September. If you want to join us, we make the cards together on Zoom, and I'm going to get my calendar here to make sure I give you the right date, and we meet about 1:30 on, drumroll please, what date is that? The 18th. So if you're interested in joining us, we can put our cards together. Otherwise, at the 18th, sometime that weekend, I'll put out a video and you can watch my video, put together your cards at your own convenience. All right, let me know, send me a comment if you have any questions, or if you're not quite sure how to get your card kit for the month of September. And again, here's the cards. Alrighty, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.